Andromeda is a tracking device that pairs the latest cellular IoT technology, LTE-M, with a new and emerging satellite communication system. It's an especially interesting project because it's on the cutting edge of what is possible at the moment. This is a battery-powered device that can communicate via a satellite backhaul for multiple years.
Andromeda takes everything that was in Polaris and add direct satellite connectivity using the brand new state-of-the-art Myriota IoT network.
The Andromeda is useful for a number of different applications. Really, the sky is the limit. Think of a shipping container being tracked using the Andromeda system from a container ship to a dock through to the truck and the endpoint destination. That's underpinned by a very sophisticated high-tech infrastructure of satellite networks, cloud operations, and all of this is really simply delivered to you as an end result.
It's probably the first time that an IoT device that runs on batteries can communicate via satellite from anywhere in the world at a reasonable price point with a reasonable power consumption to enable a total cost of ownership that enables assets to be tracked by satellites that could never be tracked before.
What's unique about Andromeda is that not only it does all the great things the rest of our tracking product do, but it's able to operate in the most remote environment thanks to its direct-to-satellite communication. What that means in practice is now you're going to be able to track your asset in the middle of deserts or in remote places where cellular connectivity is not available. So it's really a tracking and sensing solution that works all around the planet with no blind spots.
LX have a long track record and heritage with product development. They have a huge capability in the area of IoT and real deployments at scale. So we were asked by LX to help with connecting the LX Andromeda system to the Myriota direct-to-orbit satellite network.
For us, the partnership with Myriota has been an especially rich one. We've paired LX's deep product development expertise and partnered with Myriota to realise this satellite tracking component of the system, leveraging their expertise in satellite communication and really creating a top-tier tracking device that's got optimal performance across all communication networks. Throughout that journey, we've learned a lot about the satellite communication system and the internal design team here at LX are becoming experts of how to integrate that technology into different products, which ultimately adds value to the design house that we have here, because when client projects come along, we're able to expedite those products to market with a lower R&D risk based on what we've done before.
The collaboration between the Incyt team and the Myriota team on this new product came quite naturally. Myriota's best-in-class satellite IoT connectivity was the best way for us to take our tracking product range to the next level.
The two teams work together around the world in phases from gathering the user needs through the design, verification, testing and deployment.
The Incyt product development team brought all the low-power, compact, robust system expertise, and the Myriota team brought their intricate knowledge of satellite communication technology and helped us design a best-in-class embedded satellite antenna that would work in such a compact product. We worked very closely with Myriota's engineers to optimize the performance of the satellite antenna system and to minimize the power consumption so we would get the longest possible battery life.
Most land masses are covered by 4G or 5G communication these days, but there's always dark spots, and particularly on a land mass like Australia, there's dark spots where cellular communication does not exist. And the introduction of the satellite backhaul into the Andromeda system essentially enables assets to be tagged by a tracking device that will be able to communicate wherever it is on the landmass.
The Incyt tracker range is already best in class in terms of its flexibility, its configurability and its robustness. Adding Myriota connectivity to that product range allows us to go one step further and go one step ahead of the competition again.
It's capable of tracking indoors, it's capable of getting geolocation through Wi-Fi access points, it's capable of GPS geolocation, and it's also capable of sophisticated beacon detection through other devices within our ecosystem. It's a fully fledged, full-featured tracking device with numerous tracking profiles that makes it pretty much adaptable to every single tracking application that is out there.
Global connectivity for IoT devices has long been a dream, and Andromeda makes that a reality thanks to Myriota's satellite IoT connectivity.
We've really enjoyed working with LX. It's been a great partnership so far and the beginning of a long continuing partnership. We've been really impressed with the quality and execution of the product development process from the LX team.